Hey guys, it's FutureDocHouse. I know you may not recognize me. It's been a long time since a new video has been posted on FutureDocHouse. And I apologize I haven't been able to post a new medical lecture video in a while. I'm working on them. When I do post them, they're going to be great. They're going to be very educational as well as entertaining. And I'm grateful for all the love and the fans that I have and the support I have in encouraging me to create these videos. I haven't stopped making videos. In case you've missed the news, the breaking news. Speaking of news, I've teamed up with MedBuzzFeed, MedBuzzFeed for short, to help bring you the latest medical news each and every week. We're going to be talking about great stuff. I mean, my favorite subject is obviously biology, as well as infectious disease. So, we are in the midst of pandemic. And yes, pandemics are scary, and it's a scary disease, but we'll be talking about this coronavirus. Not only coronavirus, but also other bacteria, parasites, and funguses even. We also will be talking about technological breakthroughs, scandals, controversies, everything you need to know about the world of medicine today will be on MedBuzzFeed, Medical BuzzFeed. And it's the news that you usually won't see on your TV, so it's great. So come on over, check it out at Medical BuzzFeed, MedBuzzFeed. Just click the link in the bottom of the description, and I'll see you there. Also, don't forget to subscribe to MedBuzzFeed, as well as FutureDocHouse. Thank you, and have a nice day.